This is the SpaceHawk GPS Tracker used to track any vehicle. It's really good for like teenage drivers. If you have some elderly people in your family, you're kind of worried about their location. Women like to put it in their car, share the location with their spouse or other family members. Just a nice level of security so you always know where your vehicle is. It can be placed inside the car, like in the glove box, in the console, or it can be attached to the frame of the car because this is a magnet. It's a nice strong magnet. You don't have to worry about it falling off. And this is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it being outside in the rain or snow. So when you receive it, the first thing you're gonna need to do is fully charge it. If you see right here on the side, I use this little tool to open it. It is a little hard to open. That's because it's waterproof, but I can still get it open. Just give it a little tug because the seal is very tight to keep it waterproof. And inside there is the charger. It uses Type-C charging. You can see right there. So you want to fully charge it for about 8 hours. When you first plug it in, see how the little light's green now? It will be red. So you want to charge it for like 6 to 8 hours until the red light turns off. Then you can go ahead and replace this. You just pop it right back in, and that will keep that little part waterproof for you. So as that's charging, you can go ahead and move to step 2. So it comes with this little card. So it shows you step 1 is the charging. Step 2 is downloading the app. And there's a QR code right on there. You can get it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. So I'm going to show you on my phone how to get the app and how to choose the subscription that you would like, because it is a monthly subscription that shows you in real time.
So first you're going to go to your app store, either Google Play or the App Store, and you're going to look for this SpaceHawk GPS. Just look for this little symbol that you see here. Download that app, and it looks like this when you open it up. You see on the bottom it says Discover, and here you can activate your device by scanning the QR code on the bottom of your device. So just grab your little device and match the QR code. There you go. And now you can select your tracking plan. You have all these different options depending if you want 3-minute updates or you need 3-second updates. Just depending on how quickly you want live tracking or you don't need every second. So whatever option you click on, it's going to tell you the price, and it's going to tell you that you are activating the device and you're going to pay this monthly amount until it is canceled. And then here under the View All tab, you can see the map of the United States. I'm here in Florida, so I'll zoom in here. You'll be able to see any devices that you have. You can have more than one, and they'll show up live. Now you have all these different options here on the app. You can frequently ask questions, manage your devices, manage your payment method, manage your account, and contact support, and all these options here for you.
Okay, now that you've got your device fully charged and your app downloaded and your subscription ready to go, you can turn the device on. It comes with this little tiny key. I also use it to pop open the charging port as I showed you, but this little key here, it's like a little pin, and you're gonna stick it right in here where it says on and off. And you stick it in there and it will turn on. You'll have a green light here. So what you're gonna need to do next is have the device turned on and drive around or walk around your neighborhood for 10 or 15 minutes so it can kind of register where it is and start tracking. Once it's registering, you will see that 3 green lights will pop up, and then you know that your device is ready to go and ready to start tracking. If for some reason it doesn't show up like that, you can go through some troubleshooting in the little manual, or you can always call customer support. There is a phone number here on the little card for any customer support if you need any help. So now you're ready to start tracking, and your device should be fully working with your app and your time, whatever plan you choose. You can cancel your plan at any time if you decide you don't need it anymore. And basically what you need to do now is just take the device off every so often to recharge it. And depending on what mode you have it on, there is an energy saver mode that shows you the battery life here. So you kind of want to follow that to see how often you're going to need to charge. It can go anywhere from 15 days to 6 months. So just depending on your frequency is how often you're going to have to charge it. This could be a really great gift for anyone who has some elderly family members that they're kind of worried about, or a new teenage driver, something like that. Even for just any safety precaution for anyone who wants an extra way to be able to track, to know where their vehicle is at all times, this would make a great gift. A really neat, nifty little device, and it works really well.